Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft Survival offline. Many players enjoy the freedom of playing without an internet connection, avoiding lag and ensuring a consistent experience. You can still enjoy the vast majority of the game's features, from building your raft to exploring islands and gathering resources, all in a single-player environment. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself fully in the game's world without external distractions. To prepare for offline play, first ensure your raft game is completely updated and has been launched at least one time while connected to the internet. This step is crucial for downloading all necessary files and authenticating your game. Also, double-check your game platform settings, like Steam's offline mode, to ensure it's properly configured. This preparation guarantees a seamless transition to playing without an active internet connection. When playing Raft offline, your focus will naturally shift to single-player progression. Concentrate on efficient resource gathering, expanding your raft, and mastering the crafting system. You'll still encounter all the same challenges and opportunities, like fending off sharks and discovering new islands. Remember, the core survival mechanics are identical, offering hundreds of hours of engaging gameplay without needing any online interaction. Should you encounter any issues while playing offline, a quick fix is often to briefly connect to the internet and launch the game to re-authenticate. If problems persist, verifying the integrity of your game files through your platform's client can resolve many common glitches. Ultimately, playing Raft offline offers a unique, uninterrupted experience. Enjoy the peace of building your dream raft and exploring the vast ocean at your leisure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.